his back. Head hangs low, then snaps to see. Eyes like pits of nothing, empty. He walks the aisle, a crooked line. Spine bent wrong, not his design. Every step, a fractured plea. Something else is wearing me. The priest steps down, hand raised in light. Whispers prayers into the night. But the man just lifts his head. He's coming. Voice not his own. Cracked and hollow, dead in tone. He's coming through blood and breath. Something rising under death.